Ethereum Foundation dumps $32 million as Fidelity buys $25.7 million. ETH $2,200 crash or $2,800 breakout incoming. ETH. Ethereum. Fidelity. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. Crypto journalist. Anas Hassan. About author. Anas is a crypto-native journalist and SEO writer with over 5 years of writing experience covering blockchain, crypto, DeFi, and emerging tech. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated. July 1, 2025. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards, focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas, from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The Ethereum ecosystem is facing a key inflection point, as the Ethereum Foundation has transferred $32 million worth of ETH to multisig wallets, while Fidelity has simultaneously purchased $25.7 million in Ethereum. Look-on-chain data reveals the foundation has been systematically transferring 1,000 ETH daily, worth $2.46 million, to a multisig wallet 0xC061, totaling 13,000 ETH in recent weeks. The foundation's continued ETH disposals have sparked community backlash throughout 2025, with critics arguing that the organization should explore DeFi alternatives, such as staking, rather than direct sales. Interestingly, despite the selling spree the foundation is undertaking, recent data shows massive whale accumulation reaching historic levels of 14.2 million ETH among addresses holding 1,000 to 10,000 tokens. This accumulation magnitude rivals that of the 2018 bear market bottoms that preceded major bull runs. Foundation faces community revolt over persistent ETH sales. The Ethereum Foundation's treasury management strategy has sparked intense community criticism, as the organization continues to sell ETH regularly despite alternative funding mechanisms becoming available. Critics argue the foundation's primary blockchain use case has become dumping ETH, undermining confidence in the ecosystem's largest supporting organization. Community backlash intensified in January, when Foundation employee Josh Stark defended sales by claiming they represent actively using ETH. The explanation drew harsh responses, with users describing the rationale as embarrassing and questioning why urgent needs for $300,000 required public sell orders. Vitalik Buterin also defended the foundation's approach, citing regulatory concerns about staking large amounts of ETH and the need for neutrality regarding potential hard forks. However, he acknowledged these concerns have lessened and revealed the foundation is exploring staking alternatives after years of resistance. The foundation has attempted to address criticism through expanded DeFi engagement, including $120 million deployed across protocols like Aave, Spark, and Compound in February. Additionally, the organization borrowed $2 million in GHO stablecoin from Aave, representing deeper integration with decentralized finance strategies. Recent Treasury policy updates also establish a 15% operating budget target, with a 2.5-year runway for maintenance, creating systematic approaches to ETH sales and capital deployment. The foundation also committed to quarterly transparency reports and performance metrics to address community concerns about decision-making processes. Despite policy changes, the organization restructured its protocol research and development division in June, laying off team members while rebranding as Protocol with a streamlined focus area. The restructuring seeks to improve execution on Layer 1 scaling, Layer 2 development, and user experience. Institutional accumulation indicates historic bull market setup. Whale accumulation data presents the most compelling bullish case for Ethereum, with recent institutional buying reaching unprecedented levels that rival historic lows from the 2018 bear market. Accumulator address inflows show substantial institutional interest, with blue bars reaching 3.6K levels, representing the largest capital influx in ETH's history. Historical analysis reveals that previous major accumulation spikes in 2019 and 2020 preceded major bull market phases, with the 2020 accumulation leading to ETH's eventual peak of $4,800. The current accumulation magnitude exceeds that of previous periods, indicating a potential for even larger appreciation cycles ahead. The institutional positioning becomes more striking considering Ethereum's technical challenges and competitive pressures from networks like Solana, Base, and BNB. While ETH struggles to break out of resistance, institutional capital continues to flow in, as seen with Fidelity's latest bet on the upward potential of ETH. Technical charts indicate key decision point approaching. ETH's weekly chart reveals a compelling technical narrative centered on the 200-period exponential moving average at $2,274.26, where the asset currently tests key support within an ascending channel structure. Historical data shows multiple successful bounces from this moving average, suggesting reliability as a support zone throughout the current cycle. The Fibonacci retracement levels position ETH between key zones, with the $4,000 purple shaded area representing the next major target. The ascending trend line has established higher lows, while recent corrections test this key support confluence that could determine the next major directional move. Taking it further, a comparative analysis between 2017 and 2025 reveals striking similarities in consolidation patterns preceding explosive breakouts. Elliott wave analysis suggests that ETH is in wave 1 of a larger advance, with projections indicating potential targets of $7,300 at the 4.0 Fibonacci extension level, representing a 3x gain from current levels. The 2017 comparison shows extended sideways movement before parabolic advances toward $1,400 peaks. Additionally, the current RSI readings of around 50.96 indicate neutral momentum, which historically preceded major directional moves, similar to pre-2017 bull run conditions. The technical and fundamental confluence points decisively toward an upward breakout, with record institutional accumulation overwhelming foundation selling pressure at the key $2,274 EMA 200 support. ETH appears positioned for an initial move toward $4,000, with the potential for an extension to $7,300 if the 2017 fractal pattern is completed. However, failure to maintain the current $2,200 to $2,800 range could trigger deeper corrections, making the EMA 200 defense essential for sustaining bull market momentum. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics Price Predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sachs as White House AI and crypto czar. Leading AI Claude predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Bitcoin Cash by the end of 2025. American Express system upgrade prompts Ripple adoption speculation. XRP to win big. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. Relust becomes the fastest growing stablecoin. XRP to $10 next. 1 day ago. By Alejandro Arich. Bitcoin news. Why is crypto down today? July 1, 2025. 1 day ago. By Seed Fatal Pazik. Sponsored. Which crypto aggregator platforms to watch in 2025? Best crypto to buy now in July 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 17 minutes ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 1, 2025. 1 day ago. By Inesis Tavares. 12 best crypto presales to invest in 2025. Presale crypto list. 1 day ago. By Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. 14 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 1 day ago. By Elijah Rankovich. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 6 hours ago. By Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. April 11, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.